In this video, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to winterize your camper. So the first thing to do is to make sure that your gray and your black tanks are completely empty. Now, me and Leo got back from our fishing trip, and before we left the campsite, we dumped both of those, so they're completely empty. The next thing is to make sure your fresh tank is empty as well. Well, looks like it's already empty, so we're good to go. Alright, so now that I've established that the gray tank, black tank, and the fresh tank are all empty, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that the water heater is empty as well. So I just hit that tab. Now, don't do it right after you heat his water up. This is definitely cold. It's been a few days. Well, it looks like my fresh tank and my water heater are already empty, so I'm just going to go ahead and close the valves. So as you can see, I turned the two valves for the hot and the cold off, and then I opened it up for the valve to pull the antifreeze. The next thing I'm going to do is make sure that all the faucets are open. Also going to make sure that I disconnect this shower head. Let that hang out. Open these up. This will allow any additional liquid to drain. So one more thing before I properly winterize it with the antifreeze is I'm actually going to use a blowout plug to blow the lines out. So here we have our city water connection, and I have the blowout plug, which I actually keep in the package so I don't lose it. And I'll pull this out real quick, and it literally just threads in like this. So yeah, you don't have to do that, but if you have an air compressor, it helps just to get that additional liquid out of the lines. So next I'm going to take some RV antifreeze. Alright, so now that the liquid is ready to go, I'm going to shut all the faucets off back into the off position because I want to do it one at a time. So I'm just closing those all off. And then once they're all closed, then I'm going to turn the pump on. So I'm going to close this off as well. So that's all three of my faucets closed off. And then when I turn the pump on, that will pressurize the system with the antifreeze. So now with the pump on, when I turn the faucets on, it should pump the antifreeze to the lines. So now you can see that the remaining bit of the water has come out, and now it's just the antifreeze. Yeah, so the goal is to make sure that it comes out pink or red depending on your antifreeze. I'd say that does it. Once there's antifreeze in all the lines and all the faucets are pink or red depending on your antifreeze, just make sure you turn the pump off and then you should be good to go. Oh, and don't forget to flush the toilet too. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. We put out new videos every week.